Solgar, Advanced Multi-Billion Dophilus Reviews. Description: Since 1947. Enhanced Series. 5 billion microorganisms per serving. Refrigeration optional. 100% dairy, lactose and milk-free. Contains no casein. Suitable for vegetarians. Dietary supplement. Solgar's Advanced Multi-Billion Dophilus vegetable capsules are a source of L-Etra Dophilus, B-lactis, L. pericosi and L. ramosis GG, beneficial microorganisms that help maintain a healthy intestinal flora. This product is formulated with the well-known strains LA5, BB12, L. cosci 431 and LGG and promotes the healthy functioning of the intestinal system. Suggested use: as a dietary supplement for adults, take 1 vegetable capsules 1 to 2 times daily, preferably with meals, or as directed by a healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: Advanced Multi-Billion Dophilus Complex, maltodextrin, microcrystalline cellulose, sodium alginate, cultures, silica, vegetable magnesium stearate, vegetable cellulose. Contains no major allergens. Free of gluten, wheat, dairy, soy, yeast, sugar, artificial flavor, sweetener, preservatives and color. Warnings: if you are pregnant, nursing, taking any medications or have any medical condition, please consult your healthcare practitioner before taking any dietary supplement. Discontinue use and consult your healthcare practitioner if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature or refrigerate. Although it is not required, refrigeration helps to further preserve the probiotic microorganisms. Do not use if outer bottle seal is missing or damaged. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.